right. Hey, y'all. It's Israel, and welcome to Israel's World. And today, y'all, and welcome to Israel's World. And today, I'm going to be coming with another video. And this video, I'm pretty sure y'all already know what type of video this is, judging when y'all got my notification that I dropped the video. Y'all saw the title, and I'm pretty sure y'all saw the thumbnail as well. So anyway, as y'all already know, I'm going to be doing a mukbang. I'm going to be doing a mukbang today. So anyway, the mukbang I'm going to be doing on, I'm pretty sure you already know, I'm going to be doing a popcorn mukbang or mukbang. Some people say mukbang, some people say mukbang. So anyway, I'm going to go with mukbang. So I'm going to be doing, well, I'm going to go with mukbang. It don't even matter. But anyway, I'm going to be doing a popcorn mukbang. So anyway, further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. But anyway, I hope y'all having a good day, and I hope y'all have a great day. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. Now this is this popcorn, somebody was this is a kettle cooked popcorn. And go ahead and get into it. I'm not gonna eat all this popcorn, by the way. It's good though. It got like a sweetness to it. A sweetness and a saltiness. It's definitely kettle cooked. It's definitely kettle corn, alright. I like kettle cooked popcorn and the regular popcorn. The regular cooked popcorn. So anyway, I hope y'all had a I'm doing pretty fine, but I'm just trying, all I'm trying to do is like spit out new content to come for y'all. I'm just trying to spit out, I'm trying to make content for y'all, you know what I'm saying? And try to keep the consistency, you know what I'm saying? Try to keep more be more consistent. I'm gonna get something to drink, y'all, real quick. All right, y'all, I'm back. I'm drinking sweet tea, by the way. Yeah, I got me some sweet tea, so I'm drinking some sweet tea. Milo sweet tea, by the way. To me, Milo's is one of the best brands of sweet tea that you could get like out the store. Milo's is definitely one of the best like sweet tea brands. Matter of fact, let me know if you're a sweet tea person or iced tea person, sweet tea person, iced tea person. Pretty much sweet tea and iced tea is pretty much the same thing. But if you're a sweet tea person, let me know what brand in the comments. Let me know what brand of sweet tea y'all like. My personal favorite brand that you get out the stores is Milo's. I know they got other sweet tea brands like Red Diamond and some other some other sweet tea brands. Some other brands I know, there's Milo's, there's Red Diamond, a lot of others I can't really think of right now, but anyway, my personal favorite is Milo's. This popcorn would be real good when you're watching a movie. Like if you have like a movie night and you want some popcorn to eat, some popcorn to snack on while you're watching a movie. This is a good popcorn. And yeah, this is a good popcorn if you want to watch a movie. I'm not gonna eat all this popcorn. I'm probably gonna eat about 3-4 more kernels, and that's about it. About 3-4 more pieces, and that'll be it. And I'll close out the mukbang. Alright, I guess I'm done. Tie this back up. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me, y'all. But anyway, that was some good popcorn, and I enjoyed me some sweet tea along with it. So anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this mukbang, this popcorn mukbang. More videos to come, more banging content to come. Oh, and also make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. Get this content out there to as many people as we can, as we keep on growing and growing and growing. And yeah, so pretty much that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this mukbang. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all in the next video. Israel is out. Bye, y'all.